Hey guys, you're looking for some more information on Home Business Academy, and I was in the process of making some content. So I want to show you one of the tools that are in our new updates because Home Business Academy is probably way different if you're someone who's seen it, some time ago. And if you're brand new, you're going to want to see this. So in our premium tool, which is pretty much the focal point now, there's so many hidden tools in one. What I did is I made a YouTube video. You can also record a YouTube video within a platform. It gives you, it lets you find a topic that's highly searched for. It lets you record it. It lets you edit it in the platform. And it gives you the title, the description, the tags. Then it even allows you to post it to YouTube, right? So I put that video in our newest software. This is to me, Home Business Academy now is pretty much a software company. It used to be very heavy, mainly as you see right here, education. But now the value is so crazy because it's a software company. So I put the video in here and I transcribed it. And I took this and I put it into AI Prompt Assist. This is where I spend most of my time, no matter what platform I'm making an image on or a prompt on. The reason why I love going through Home Business Academy's AIs is because it syncs to your marketing profile. Whether I'm using the regular AI or I'm using this AI, it syncs to the platform, the services, so you can reference different things within the product and you can put it in here. So I put that transcript in here and I pretty much told it to make me a thumbnail for my YouTube video. So I put it into the queue and then added it down here, and you can put your images for your face if you want to reference your face, and it pretty much filled in some information for me. So if I scroll down, I'm going to actually change this to 16:9. I need it for YouTube, and it wants to do the digital art style. So we're going to try that. You get 5 free credits a day, and you can buy new credits. So you can pretty much do most of your AI stuff in this platform. So we're going to generate image. So once again, I recorded a video, brought it in here. It gave me my transcript, which this is a tool that I actually always wanted because there's so many uses for this. And I brought it into our other tool and it created me a thumbnail prompt. I'll put it down. You see how just with a click of a button, this is very key for people who don't know how to prompt. And it gave me this, and I can go in here and if I want to make the ad copy better, I can go prompt a new image. So I'm just going to take this image. You see, you can remove the background on it. And I wanted to show you that tool. So on this page, make sure you're following it because I'm going to be showing you me actually using the tool and not just reviewing the tool. So if you want more information on how to get access to this premium product, and you can actually get access to it for 14 days free and testing it out, and getting your 5 free credits a day and using all our other softwares. So I'm going to leave that in the description below while that's available.